Am I audible, children? Okay.
Yes, sir.
See, only 5 has joined till now. I don't know they don't want to do the class or not. The result is also pathetic.
सर हाईएस्ट कितने हैं?
हाईएस्ट तो बहुत कम है. किसी को नहीं आया 60. 50 के ऊपर भी नहीं है किसी. शायद हाँ 50 भी नहीं है. Okay, so we'll start the class. आज today we'll start with the descriptive statistics. तो देखो जो जो क्लास में उनका मैं मार्क बता देता हूँ. देवांश गार्ग का है. पहले मैं एमसीक्यू का बताऊंगा एंड देन इट विल बी सब्जेक्टिव. तो देवांश गार्ग का है एमसीक्यू में 15 एंड सब्जेक्टिव में 17. तो टोटल हुआ 32. फिर है कुंज का तो एमसीक्यू में 9 है और में है तो टोटल इज 13. मोहित का है एमसीक्यू में 25 एंड सब्जेक्टिव ओनली 20. सो टोटल इज 45. नमन का है एमसीक्यू में 25 एंड सब्जेक्टिव में 24. टोटल इज 49. यही हाईएस्ट है. नंदना का है 17 एमसीक्यू 8 सब्जेक्टिव. टोटल है 20 एंड 16 सब्जेक्टिव. तो टोटल है 37. Okay, we'll start the class. So see, all of you, please study properly because
सर आवाज लैग हो रही है, कुछ सुनाई नहीं दे रहा.
So you're not clearly audible.
ग्राफ के 2-3 क्वेश्चन थे. ग्राफ वाले क्वेश्चन भी नहीं कर पा रहे. हाँ
सर आवाज लैग हो रही है, वापस बोलो ना एक बार आप.
Am I audible? Am I audible, children?
No, sir. Not clearly, sir.
Just a minute. Okay, so am I audible to all of you? Okay, so we'll start with statistics. Now, from tomorrow you are coming offline, so that time I'll talk to you more clearly regarding the exam, because see your the graph questions I am talking about. Okay, now see, we'll start you with the descriptive statistics. Am I audible to all of you?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so see, we'll start with the descriptive statistics. See, in previous classes, you have learned about the statistics as classification of data, graphical representation of data, mean, median, and mode of the collection, organizing, analyzing, interpretation, and presentation of data. That we know that statistics is a branch of mathematics which mainly collect the data, organize it, and represent it graphically. The word statistics seems to have derived from the Latin word status, which means a political state. Originally, statistics was simply the collection of numerical data on some aspects of life of the people useful to the government. Okay, so originally जो statistics है, it is coming from the Latin word status, इसका मतलब होता है political state. Okay, और originally क्या होता है कि statistics में there are certain aspects that people's life was measured for the government. However, with the passage of time, it's so important to get statistics, new collection of facts or information concerning almost every of life, such as science, medicine, economics, psychology, politicals, and marketing. After slowly it was broadened, that branch was applied to part life, like it can be applied to every part like science, medicine, economics, psychology, politicals, and marketing. The study of statistics can be categorized into two types. So two types of statistics study will be there. One is descriptive statistics and second is inferential statistics. In this chapter, we shall learn one is inferential. So mainly we deal with the descriptive statistics. So see, descriptive statistics are used to describe or summarize data in useful and meaningful ways. Describing statistics can be useful for two types: to provide basic information about variable in a data set and to highlight potential relationship between variables. So descriptive statistics is giving us the two things. One is basic information about the variables in a data and to highlight potential relationship between variables. So its useful is to give basic information. So its mainly two objectives are: first of all, descriptive statistics gives basic information about the variable of the data. And second one, to give the relationship between the potential relationship between the potential relationship between the variables. Yes.
नमन, तुझे कितने आए थे मार्क्स? याशिका, तुझे?
मेरे बताए नहीं।
बाकी लोगों
आंसर
का नहीं,
चलेगा।
भी बाद में स्कूल में आओ, फिर बाकी लोगों का नहीं बता सकता।
सब बाकी जो क्लास में उनके, सर मनन लठ,
चलो, अभी
याशिका।
आ रहा है, अभी क्लियर दिख रहा है?
हाँ, अभी ठीक है।
ओके, तो इसमें there are four major types of descriptive statistics. First is measure of central tendency. So these are the objective mainly. First of all, we have to know the information about the variable of data. Second is it is giving a potential difference between the variables. Okay, potential relation. Now mainly there are four types of descriptive statistics. First, measure of central tendency, that is mean, median, and mode. Okay, so first is so in descriptive statistics, there are four types. First is to find the mean, median, and mode. To measure the central tendency. As mean, median, and mode. Okay. Second is measure the dispersion, deviation, variance, standard deviation, skewness, kurtosis. So measure of dispersion. Second is measure. See, first is measure of central tendency. Then second is measure of dispersion. Dispersion has deviation, variance, deviation, variance, standard deviation, skewness, kurtosis. Standard deviation, then we have skewness and kurtosis. Okay, so this is the second part. First is central tendency, we measure mean, median, and mode. So these things are already there in class 10. It is there, but since you have not studied this thing, it was deleted from your course. So that we need to study again. Then we have measure of dispersion, deviation, variance, standard deviation, skewness, kurtosis, etc. We will study. Then in the third part, measure of position. Then next is measure of position. Okay. So measure of position, measure of dispersion, and then measure of central tendency. Okay, so in measure of position, we study percentile, rank, and quartile rank. Percentile
सर वहाँ स्टैंडर्ड डेविएशन के बाद क्या लिखा है?
and quartile rank. And the fourth part we study measure of association. Measure of association. That is correlation. Okay, so these things we are going to study. There are different methods of finding. There are different methods of finding all these things. So mainly see descriptive statistics. धनंजय क्यों आ रहा है? आ गया. Okay, so see, there in descriptive statistics, these four things we measure. First is central tendency. So under central tendency, we measure mean, median, and mode. Then we have a NC, mean, median, and mode. Not only simple mean, median, mode. We use the group data. Okay, so class interval type of data, and we can find the mean, median, and mode. Then we find measure of dispersion. Under dispersion, we can find deviation, variance, standard deviation, and skewness, kurtosis. So these five things we have to find out. In measure of position, we find percentile rank and quartile rank, and finally measure of association, we find correlation. Okay, so these are the main topic we have to see. So there are mainly broadly I can say. See here, first three things. In the second, there are five things. Then it is two things and one thing. So total there will be 11 things you have to find out. So in all these 11 things, there are different formula. So in this chapter, basically you will understand those formula and you remember those formula to find out these things. So we'll start with the measure of central tendency. Now see, there are certain terms related to statistics that I am not going in detail. There is a book there, you can just read through these things. Okay, now the first topic starts with a pie graph and histogram. Okay, so first topic is start with a pie graph and histogram representing of data graphically. Okay, after that we'll measure these things. So first thing is start with a graphical representation. So let us start with the pie graph. So pie graph you have studied in your lower classes. Okay, छोटे class में study किया था 8th में especially. If you remember, I don't know if you remember or not. In class 8, pie chart was there. In 9th, it is not there. 10th also it is not there. But class 8, pie chart is there. So first thing we'll study we'll start with the exercise directly, and we'll see how the pie chart is. Pie chart and histogram, the first topic is. So let us do few questions. So we'll start with the pie chart. Am I audible? सुनाई दे रहा है?
हाँ sir.
Okay. So first we'll start with the pie chart. See, all question I will not do in the class because it's not possible. I will do few of the things and the rest you do as a homework, and you can definitely ask me the doubt if you have. See, we start with exercise 13.1 in page number 469. So in 13.1, first question you can see, we have to draw on a particular day the sales of different items of a bakery shops are given below. Draw a pie chart of the given data. So first of all, item, we write the items here. Then we have sale in rupees, sale in rupees. So we make the table vertically. So items are ordinary bread. Then we have food bread. These things you know, okay, this you have studied in your lower classes, so I just introduced you so that you have regained that concept. How to draw a pie chart, food bread, then cakes and pastries. Biscuits, and you have others. So the numbers are given in prices are given in so 320, 80, 160, 120. So this is the data. Okay, so this data is given. So first of all, you have to write the data in okay. See, first of all, you have to write the data in this column form. Like what are the things in this question? These are the things in a bakery shop. ordinary breads, fruit bread, cakes and pastries, biscuits and others. So sale in a cost it is given up. First of all, you have to find the total. What is the total cost? So add them all. Please you see if my calculation is wrong, correct me right away. Okay. Otherwise, the whole thing will go up. Now, see, first of all, you find the total thing. Now, while drawing the pie chart, if you remember it, that we are finding the central angle. That is the main thing. Central angle means the ratio with the 360-degree angle, because we know in a circle, in a point, around a point, there is a 360 degree. So, you have to convert this in a ratio. We convert them in a degree. So, straight away we find the central angle. We will not go in the ratio thing because this is a very lower class thing. We directly find the central angle. Central angle. So central angle is the total. Total is 720. Total of this is 720. So 320 and multiplied by 360 So this is the calculation. Okay, what is there? 320 out of 720 into 360. So when you calculate this, see, this will be directly cancelled by 2. And this will be cancelled by 2. So it will be 160 degrees. So first ordinary bread is 160 degrees. Second is 80 out of 360. Sorry, out of 720. And it is 360. And again cancelling 2. So it will be again 40. So it will be 40. So similarly, 160 you will get, you solve it, you will get 80 degree. 120 you will get 60 degree. And 40 you will get 20 degree. So this is the total central angle. Okay, so these are the central angle. Now you can see if you add these three, add all the angle, definitely it will be 360 के कम या ज़्यादा नहीं होगा. It will be exactly 360. Otherwise, whatever central angle you have found, it is wrong. ये ध्यान रखना, जब भी central angle हम लोग निकालेंगे, ultimately you add those angles and it will come to be 360 degree only. Totaling will be 360 degree. Okay, now this is the angle. Now we have to draw what? A pie chart. Pie chart means a circular graph. Okay, so write down this quickly. See, I will take only 3 questions here. One, this pie chart. So you have an idea of pie chart. Histogram also you know, because till 9th, 10th standard histogram, enough histogram you have drawn. So one question I will take from histogram, and that 2 questions I will take from histogram. One is a continuous interval, even interval, class size, and another is if the class size is different. So both the things I will consider. First, when the class size is same and when the class size is different. So 2 types of histogram I will take, and then the rest you do as a homework. Because nothing. Okay, frequency polygon is also given. Everything is given in 13. Bar graph is also given. Bar graph I will not do. Bar graph you do by yourself. And have doubt, तो मुझे लगता नहीं कि bar graph में doubt होगा, because you have drawn bar graph for many times. Okay, so shall I rub this?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now I just keep the angle there because I need an angle, and ये वाला bar graph I need this angles. हमें लिख ले तो शॉर्ट में क्या क्या है ये चीज. ये जो था ये होल्डर ब्रेड है, ये है हमारा फूड ब्रेड, दिस इज केक्स एंड पेस्ट्रीज, ये है बिस्किट्स एंड दिस इज others. So these are the short I have. Okay, now draw the this pie chart. First you draw a circle of any radius. With this, draw any radius. Now keep your protractor here and draw 160 degree angle. So when you keep the protractor here and you know how to look the protector. That also you should know, because this should not I teach you. That on the left, if you are keeping your, this is your D protector. This is the midpoint. If you keep your midpoint of the protector on the left side and you are measuring the angle, then you see the downward marking. This marking you have to see if you are on the left side. And if you are keeping your protector on the right side and you are looking the angle, you have to see the upward marking. Because in a protector, you know 0 to 180 and again 180 to 0. So this way it will be marking 0 to 180, 180 to 0. So which one you have to take depend on the at what and at where you are marking the angle, measuring the angle. So this is my left. So when I put the protector here, I put in below marking, and in below marking 160 will be somewhere here. So I just mark it as 160. This is 160. I just use some shade. So this is 160. Then next is 40. So 40 again I will take this. This is the, now I keep the protector like this, central angle here. Now at this point, you can see this is the left again. You can see the zero marking. So here it will be 40. This will be 40 degree, and you do some design. Different design you can do to keep. Here I am showing this plot. Then we have an 80 degree angle, so 80 degree you can mark. So this is 80. And that is, this you can mark this as this different design you can mark. And then you have a 20 degree, 60 degree and 20 degree. So this is 60 degree. This will become 20. So 20 degree you can mark this. This is 20 degree and this is center degree. So you can mark. See, you can do different designs. So which look different. Now what you do after doing this, you have to draw a table. Okay, and showing this on the table. How to draw the table? Like, see, this you have to draw a table. See, first of all, this, so this you can mark like this. So this is ordinary bread. Then second one is 40 degree, that is fruit bread. So this you may draw. And please don't write the shortest form. Okay, you write the full thing. Ordinary bread, fruit breads, cakes and pastries, biscuits, others. You write the full thing, don't write shortcut method. Then we have this cake and pastries. So I mark it like this. So you just draw this triangle shape. Bread is this. And then ordinary, this is. So see, with this data, with this figure, it is very clear that which one is. No need to write anything. No need to write in on the inside the circle. You don't write this ordinary bread or something like. Don't write. This is the proper representation. Only the angle, and then you have to draw a box over there, and on this box you have to mark everything. That what is the design in that. So that is the thing. So that is a pie chart. So regarding the pie chart, whatever question is there, please you do. So second question is also pie chart. Third question is reading the pie chart. And then we can come say bar graph I am not doing. Fourth, fifth is the bar graph, sixth is the bar graph, seventh is the histogram. Okay, so two types of histogram are there. One is an equal class size, another is unequal class size. हाँ बोलो. ओके सो कोई प्रेजेंट है तो बोलना मुझे। हाँ, भाव्या एब्सेंट, देवांश गर्ग प्रेजेंट, देवांश बंसल एब्सेंट, खुशी एब्सेंट, कुंज प्रेजेंट, मनन इज प्रेजेंट,
हाँ सर।
नॉट प्रेजेंट,
नहीं अभी नहीं है, पहले था।
ठीक है। मोहित प्रेजेंट, मुस्तानसिर आई थिंक है, नैतिक एब्सेंट, नमन प्रेजेंट, नंदना प्रेजेंट, उत्कर्ष एब्सेंट, वंश एब्सेंट, यशिका प्रेजेंट, रिदम एब्सेंट, शिवाली एब्सेंट, श्रुति एब्सेंट, निखिल एब्सेंट, खुश एब्सेंट। So we'll continue with the next class. Okay, so we'll continue with the histogram and all other data. So please you complete question number 5 तक complete, 4 तक complete करना। हाँ बोलो। पेपर डिस्कस क्या करना है? पेपर में कुछ डिस्कशन है ही नहीं। आई विल गिव यू द आंसर की दे दूंगा, देख लेना, क्योंकि उसमें डिस्कशन कुछ नहीं है। मैंने क्वेश्चन सिंपली पूछा था, ग्राफ के क्वेश्चन तुम लोग नहीं कर पा रहे हो बेटा। हाँ, आंसर शीट तो शायद मिलेगी रिजल्ट के टाइम, ऐसा कुछ होगा। रिजल्ट में मिलेगी, रिजल्ट में जब रिजल्ट होगा ना तब शायद मिलेगी। तो पीटीएम होगा, रिजल्ट के बाद पीटीएम होगा, पीटीएम के टाइम में मिलेगी। गलतियां आंसर की तभी मिलेगी, तभी यू कैन चेक, अभी मिलेगी। अभी मैं आंसर की भेजूंगा, वो क्या कहते हैं, आंसर की जो आंसर की मैं भेजूंगा, उसको देख ले। क्योंकि सी मैंने वही कहा ना कि जो ग्राफ वाले क्वेश्चन थे वो भी 300 ग्राफ वाले क्वेश्चन थे। देयर आल्सो मेनी ऑफ यू हैव नॉट डन इट प्रॉपर्ली। मैंने किया मोस्ट ही, मैं बोल दूंगा, एक दो को छोड़कर बाकी ने ग्राफ भी सही नहीं सेट हो गया, बाकी का तो छोड़ दो। मैंने क्वेश्चन बाहर से कुछ पूछा ही नहीं, सारे क्वेश्चन, अगर तुमने वो बुक खोला होगा गोयल ब्रदर्स का बुक, सारे क्वेश्चन उस बुक में से डिट्टो वो क्वेश्चन है। मैंने अलग से क्वेश्चन पूछा ही नहीं, और अलग से पूछता हूँ तो बताओ ना क्या हो जाएगा। तो तुम लोग इसका मतलब परवर नहीं रहे हो बिल्कुल, तो ऐसा नहीं चलेगा ना बेटा। मैथ्स अगर लिए हो तो मैथ्स से डिफरेंट सब्जेक्ट, ये तुम्हें भी पता है। मैथ्स अगर मैंने लिया है तो मैथ्स को मुझे अलग से मुझे करना ही पड़ेगा। मेहनत नहीं करोगे तो मैथ्स में यू कांट एक्सपेक्ट दैट मिरेकल हो जाएगा और ऐसे मार्क्स नहीं मिलेंगे। प्रैक्टिस करना होगा ना, जो क्लास में करवाता हो वही तो करो ढंग से, वो भी नहीं कर रहे हो तुम लोग। बाकी मैंने बाहर से कुछ पूछा ही नहीं है, सब बुक में, वो बुक खोल के देखो, सारे क्वेश्चन बुक में।
कौन सी बुक सर? इतनी सारी बुक है, कुछ समझ में ही नहीं आ रहा कौन सी बुक उठाए।
नहीं अभी तो मैं इसी में स्टिक रहूंगा। अभी तो ये जो बुक है क्या है, अग्रवाल वाला बुक, एमएल अग्रवाल में मैं स्टिक रहूंगा, उसके बाहर से नहीं आएगा। तो एमएल अग्रवाल से ही प्रैक्टिस करो।
ओके सर।
सो हाफ ईयरली के पहले हमें 2 यूनिट और खत्म करना है। एक तो ये स्टैटिस्टिक्स वाला यूनिट है और दूसरा शायद प्रोबेबिलिटी वाला यूनिट। 2 यूनिट हमें खत्म करना है स्टैटिस्टिक्स से, ये इसके पहले, हाफ ईयरली के पहले।
सर तो अभी छोड़ दे क्या क्लास?
हाँ यस,
क्लास छोड़ दे सर?
यस यस यू कैन लीव। और ये क्वेश्चन करना जो बुक में है 4 तक, बार तक क्वेश्चन है, दैट यू कैन डू।